Hello, my name is Rhonda. Thank you very much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you. Please consider subscribing. I am a new channel. I just started the end of April, 1st of May, somewhere around then. And I am working hard at getting my channel built up and bringing things to y'all that you would like to see. And I am more than just about makeup, as we all are, so I do have plans of showing all kinds of things. And today I have my Bolzano bag came yesterday. I don't know if this is how they bill exactly, because I know they bill on the 11th, but I don't know how they consider their bags, because this just came yesterday, and since they bill on the 11th, it makes me think that maybe they go into the next month, because I have any reviewings of what went to look at, I don't see any of them earlier in the month, so I'm not quite sure. But for now, this is the June or July, I'm not actually sure what they consider it, but it always comes in this dust bag to keep them safe. And let me open it. I really liked this month's. Last month I really liked the bag. I just didn't like the color, because not that I didn't like the color, it's because I already have things similar to that color, and they had already sent a white and a black, and it was kind of a gray, and I was really hoping for something different. So I did email them, and I did fill out another quiz. They do, when you go do, they ask you a lot of questions about the kinds of things you like, kind of colors you like, kind of bags you like, kind of accessories you like. I mean, it is a really long quiz, so that they send you the things that you would like. And this bag is $33 a month, and that is for the bag and usually some type of accessory. You can add 10 more to it, and they will send you other things like makeup, lotions, just different kinds of things. But for the $33, they usually send you the bag and some kind of bracelet, a necklace, something like that. And the bag alone is worth $33 if you were to just buy it outright, but it's on here. I'll have to tell you in a minute. But this is the bag I got this month. Oops. And it has this strap. They usually have a strap inside the bag, and you can choose to add it, but this one was already added because this one didn't have a shoulder strap, a hand strap like sometimes they have. Let me see this. This wasn't attached. I went ahead and opened it up and put this on because that's so cute. And they usually have the little Bolzano, however you say that, little emblem. See how pretty that, and you can take it off if you don't like it. I just happen to think it looks fancier. And here's the inside. You have this pocket here, and then you have these little, this one here has a zipper, and these pockets over here are just to drop maybe your little phone or something down in. So it has 3 little pockets. This one again has the zipper, and then it goes like that, and then it has the zipper on the back too, so plenty of little zippers for a small little bag. I wrote and told them I really was wanting a couple of little smaller bags than the bigger ones they had been sending, and that is, I just think that is really a cute little bag. And then they sent this bag, I guess, to go in that one if you want to, or just to carry a little carry-on. And then there's things inside this bag. let's see, here's the card that came with that, and this says that that bag is retail value of $125. I don't know if you can see it. That's what they claim the retail value of that is. Let's see. And then they sent these two nail polishes. These are by Revlon. And you all know I'm big on nail polishes and having pretty nails. And I do them myself. I do not like fake nails. Nothing against anyone who likes fake nails. That is totally up to you. I just don't like fake nails. I like my nails. I did, like I said, I broke this one and this one both way off, and it's taken a little while. Usually my nails are about as long as this one or longer, but I've cut most of them back so that they didn't look odd. And then got this. This isn't one of my favorite items, but it is kind of cute. I'm assuming it's a choker or something. It has these little like gold leaves on it, and it feels like, I don't know what that, some kind of really heavy leather or string leather or whatever it is, because it's probably not real leather, because I'm pretty sure this bag is vegan friendly. I'm almost sure that I read that what they sell is all vegan friendly, so I would say this is imitation whatever, if it is like a leather. It is kind of like a choker. See, it's pretty. I mean, it's not one that I would pick out for myself, but I will wear it. That actually has a like a boho look. It would probably be really cute with some kind of boho top dress. And here's these really cute sunglasses. I absolutely love sunglasses. I am really big on protecting your eyes. And I can't stand the sun in my eyes. I don't see a price on here anywhere, but there's the sunglasses. I think they're cute. So all of this, they usually send more. I'm not quite sure what was up this month, but maybe something here costs more than usual, but they usually send more than that. They did send, I'm assuming, yeah, there's some kind of tattoos or something here. It's this gold and silver, and it tells you about cleaning your skin and all this stuff. So there's some kind of tattoos. Oh, there's a better picture, and you can see here she's got them on her arms. They're actually really cute. Don't know if I would wear them. Again, please excuse my nails. I just did them just yesterday, and I have played with my son and helped him tie things today, and then it didn't tie right, and I had to undo it, and I chipped my nails back off the nail polish, so I'm going to have to take it back off and redo them. But let's see, that again, the bag, if you were just to get the bag and some type of accessory, I couldn't tell you which one of these would have came with it, but just this and an accessory is $33 or $34 a month, which, I mean, if you've bought bags, that bag is more than worth that if you were to go into a store and buy a pretty bag. And this, like I said, this says that this bag retails for $125. Then got this little makeup bag thing, and then the tattoos, the sunglasses, the choker, and 2 polishes. And all of this is, like I said, the bag is $34 and it comes with an accessory. And then if you add $10 more for $43 or $44, you get all of this. So you get all that for just $10 more. You get all of your accessories. So I think it's well worth the price. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Please click the thumbs up button to let me and YouTube know you like my videos, and I will continue working trying to find things that would interest y'all to show you. And I really appreciate you watching, and I really do appreciate y'all just helping to support me on this journey. And please come back and watch again. Thank you very much. Good night.